Benefits of Mediterranean recipes. The Mediterranean diet is an important way to improve your health. It is based on the principle that you should eat foods from different parts of the world. Meals that are high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes are recommended. There are a lot of benefits to following a Mediterranean diet. Some of the reasons why it is good for you include: weight loss. If you follow a Mediterranean diet, you are likely to lose weight. This is because the foods on this diet are high in fiber and low in sugar and processed foods. Heart health. The Mediterranean diet is good for your heart because it contains lots of fruits and vegetables. These foods contain antioxidants, which can help to protect your heart against damage caused by free radicals. Lower cancer risk. Studies have shown that people who follow a Mediterranean diet have a lower cancer risk than people who don't. This is partly because the diets on the Mediterranean islands are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Better digestion. The Mediterranean diet is good for your digestion because it contains a lot of fiber and probiotics. These nutrients help to improve your gut health and promote regular bowel movements. Please like, share and subscribe.